Hi guys, this is just a bit of a report of what's going on with the trading in Darren's Trading Academy. So again, if you want to jump on board, all you need to do is click on the link below that will be inside the YouTube description. If you're watching this on the Telegram, then just ignore the little logo that comes up, which is obviously offering my Trading Academy, and try and pick up on some of the information that I'm putting inside here. Okay, because as we well said, we're into phase 2 now, where I've opened up a MetaTrader 4 account with DarwinX Zero. And the idea now is, hopefully, once I get this DarwinX Zero account, which is the MT5 account, once I go, because I've obviously got a couple of bots that are working inside this, okay, as well as I manual trade with it. The idea is I drop the manual trading, I then leave the bots working, and pretty much this is what's going to be bringing in the money every single month. This is the plan, okay? So at the moment you can see that the precision bot is taking trades at the moment. We're in drawdown of $162 here and $148 here. Nothing too much to worry about, because as you well know, USD CAD within the next 12 to 24 hours jumps into profit every single time. Okay, I haven't had one chance yet where it hasn't done that. I want to introduce with my setup before, which I showed you with my manual setup, you'll notice that there is another bot, which is the EFX bot. This is the licensed EX45 bot. Now this is currently selling for $10,000. okay, now if you're watching this and you're inside Darren's Trading Academy, you may be able to get a drastic discount. Now, the only way this works is that you have to be inside my Trading Academy to be able to get access to this. Okay, this is just a super way of being able to get hold of this. You also need to make sure that you are heavily involved with inside the Telegram group, which is attached with inside my Trading Academy, because there are certain key points of what the actual chap that built the EX45, you need to follow a certain sequence with that. Okay, all it is basically is about being like friends and family. Basically, that's what we are, right? We're all friends and family with inside this Trading Academy. I'm even toying with the idea of actually not launching this academy and just allowing other people that want to join into this academy, if you want to be into a friends and family sort of trading family. Okay, because I think it might not be the right approach that I want to try and achieve with inside my academy. Okay, I never built my academy just to make money. My academy was built because there was a need for it. There was it was important that people realize that there are genuine people out there that actually want to help people. Okay, and I'm one of them. I do want to do that, and you'll know that by the actual value that I put inside this. The only reason why I've had to put the prices up is because I'm forking out for other bots that you'll be able to have access to with inside the Trading Academy, which I give you rights to. Okay, so basically this allows you to put these on your own machines. The EEFX, okay, which is the X45, this is something which, you know, is not included inside Darren's Trading Academy, and the very reason for that is because there is a complete advanced bot model that you pick up when you decide to go into that. So I'm not urging everyone to go into it. All I can say is that it's an advanced bot. Okay, probably one of the best on the market. I mean, I was lucky enough to actually use this for a whole year, okay, and beta testing, and it brought up most of my real accounts easily, okay, without any problem whatsoever. The only time we did have a problem, which we all laugh about now, was when we put it on gold, and you know it went down quite low, but Andrew's ironed out a lot of those issues now, through years and years of tribulation, if you like, And this is the very reason why, you know, he's now got such a advanced bot, which is constantly making anywhere from $300 to $800 a month, depending on your risk appetite and depending on obviously the lot file that you set this up with. One of the key things that you must remember is to follow Andrew's instructions. If you are interested in the X45, there are lots and lots of videos that are available with inside my trading academy where I heavily talk about this, and you'll pretty much get the infancy of the videos of what I started to use and profit from. Okay, this is why I love this bot so much, because I know I've used it, it's tried and tested, and this is something which I like. It's just the same as my actual trading methods. What I use are tried and tested, and you know, you can see what I do, and you can also see, if we go to the history, you'll see all in the blues. Okay, we're all in the blues. I mean, every single trade that I take, this one apart from this one, but this was one of my losses with USD CAD, but I still made 112.29 with USD CAD, and £67.38. So, you know, it's crazy. If you look, they're all in the blues. Okay, and obviously this is how I've managed to bring up my account from 100k to 236,000 using the DarwinX method, which I show you and teach you how to do. And if you notice that where I started off using this system, okay, the reason why I use this system is because everyone else can follow what I'm doing. There is no point, you know, trying to bring out a trading academy if people can't afford to actually be invested into it. So this is how I really strongly wanted to make sure that I wanted to start from scratch, and I wanted everyone that if they put the same effort that I put into, there's no reason why you can't succeed. I'm showing you exactly how we can make money using these methods, and the actual whole process is to have 10 DarwinX Zero accounts. Okay, that's the whole plan, and all we do basically is we copy trade. Okay, this bot, which is obviously proven if it's making money with inside this DarwinX account, we copy it onto another DarwinX Zero account, and then we just need to massage the figures inside. Okay, just so we don't get the same sort of figures on the DarwinX Zero, although there is no real problem running EAs on that system anyway. Okay, because you're using someone else's money basically by paying a monthly amount of money, like a subscription, which is basically about $28. You can even get it cheaper than that, because if you use my code you get 25% off, and it also gives you a discount every single month as well. So you're not going to be paying $38 every single month. And when you get your system up and running to a profitable state, this is when you are going to be gobsmacked, okay, because you'll realize that you get a little thing come up inside your DarwinX Zero account. Would you like any of your profits to pay for your subscription every single month? Well, of course you do, because then that's running fully on autopilot. Once you've done one account, that's when you set up your next account. Okay, and the idea is you want at least 10 accounts, because this is going to 10 times your profit of what you can make every single year. Okay, so if one account is only making, for argument's sake, $2,000, with 10 accounts, that's $20,000. There is no limit to how many DarwinX Zero accounts you can have, and it also gives you the ability of the money that you get, you can then take out and put it into a Darwin account. Okay, and this is where you're on the other side of the fence, and this is where you make 90% of profits of what you make. So then if you put a bot and you're making 90% profits, this is obviously going to just jump you up to the next level. We're not there yet, because I want to do this so everyone else is on the same platform. Okay, but we'll get there. And as I said before, this is a long-term project. Okay, that's why when you pay at the moment, you can jump into my Darren's Trading Academy for $397. You are paying for a one-time price for me basically to mentor you and teach you how to do this. And when you think for $397 to have access to at least 50 expert advisors and many expert advisors that can actually make you money on autopilot, it's not a lot of money when you think about it. Plus you get a copy trading program and you get access to this bot which I'm talking to you about right now. Okay, now what was quite interesting about this trade, because I just want to tell you about this trade because I had to snigger today, is I set up the XAU USD, okay, to trigger at 2640 and funny enough it dropped down to 264 what was it, it was 246401 I think it was, and I had it just where it was 0.01 out. So what it means is it didn't trigger. So wherever I had this set up, it was like 0.01 out before it triggered. Otherwise, at this point here, okay, I would have been deep in the trade. Of course, I'm not worried because I've preset my actual trade setup now, okay, which you'll see if I go back into the trades here, you'll see where I've set this up, and you'll see that this is set up for, there's 2640, I've got 2650, and I've got 2650 here, and now I've got 2610, okay, because I'm waiting to try and jump on the spikes. Look at this one, where this one fell down, okay, it actually went up and then it comes straight down. And what this does, it's called shaking the tree. It's trying to get rid of people that are hedging gold and they've got their stop losses in place. That's why I don't run with a stop loss. I run with a take profit, and I run with a price that is already been hit on a known support and resistance, and I only long. I do not do any sell trades. Okay, I allow the bots to do that. See that these are kicking in and they're doing sell trades here. I allow them to do that, but what I don't tend to do is, if I'm manual trading, I only trade on a long. Okay, I wait till they come down because I know they're going to go back up, and that's just the way that I roll. Okay, that's my trading strategy which I've used, and like I say, I've managed to produce double with inside my trading account. Okay, and obviously I will want to repeat that with inside my MetaTrader 4 DarwinX Zero account, which I'm already using bots for inside here as well. So you know, this is just literally just a little bit of a heads up. You can see also that this is a copy trading program, and you can see that we're coming in, we've got a few trades. We're in 122 drawback, nothing too much to worry about. My balance is 1,239. This is a live demo account. Okay, equity is 1,000 or 1,116. You know, so you know everything is all going exactly how it should, and I show you exactly how you can set everything up. See that this bot just trades for 10 minutes every single night. Okay, it basically goes on at 10 to 12, comes off at 12 o'clock, and that's it. That's all it does. It does its trade. There's a super set file for this using the Waka. Okay, and the geek, I've set this, so this is a daily setup. So this USD CHF daily will kick in when it hits a certain perimeter. It will not kick in until it does that. And again, this is a profitable bot as well, right? The set file for this. This is why, you know, in some ways it's great, because you can see that a bot that's going to be dedicated to making money isn't just triggering itself off all the time and then triggering off. So far I've had 3 days of consistency of $78, $79, $79 just coming in. And this basically is just profit. This is my profit at the moment, $225 out of 100k account. The idea is going to try this for at least 10 to 14 days. If I find that this is constantly coming in every single day, then I'm going to include my actual lot to 2, and then we're going to try and see how we get on with that. The reason why I am just treading lightly is because you know what the markets are like. They can change at a blink of an eye. What I do like about this particular bot is it does sell and buy, and it still seems to profit. Okay, so it's coming up with audio CAD, audio CAD, audio CAD. It's not just doing it in a buy only, it's doing it in a sell as well. So it's got an algorithm built with inside this system which works really, really well. Okay, and it's profit. It's making profit every single day. Okay, this is what we want. I mean, there's many people out there that say it's very hard to actually find something that is making money every single day. Well, I'm showing you it. This is making money every single day. Same as the MT5. There is another bot which is making money every single day, and that's this one up here, which is the precision bot. This precision bot is making money pretty much every single month. I wouldn't say it's every single day because this is preset to work on an hourly chart, but I have it set up in such a way that I know I'm going to make money with it every single time it's triggered. I know it goes into a drawdown, and then it will come into profit, and then it will take its trade, and then it will stop, and then you might not fire off again for another couple of days until you get a parabolic move with inside the XAU USD. Once it does this, this is going to trigger the USD CAD into a sell trade. Okay, because that's what, you know, that's what USD CAD seems to do. It always seems to take a sell trade, because what tends to happen is gold goes up, USD comes down. Okay, on CAD, this is what it does. Okay, it's almost like a safe haven trade, if you like, in some respects. You know, even though this is going up, this is probably a lot of news and white noise at the moment. And then you'll find that once it establishes, by tomorrow, this is going to come back down again. And then this trade's going to trigger. And then I'm going to hit profit with inside these margins, which is going to help with inside my DarwinX Zero account. Okay, because the idea is I want this to be profitable all the time. Okay, so that's really just the video that I wanted to just show. I just wanted to give you a little bit of a heads up what's going on. How, if you want to jump into this, is fine, but this is a sideline. This is almost like an extra cherry on the top. You still get access to it, but you know, you need to start talking inside the Telegram group. Start showing some information, which most of you do, to be honest. I mean, we're a great team with inside there, all helping each other out, which is what it's all about. Okay, and literally, you know, things will, you know, things are going to take off, and we're going to do really well, all of us together. Okay, because I'm giving you the keys to the door, if you like, of creating a monthly income that's going to be coming in on a regular basis. Okay, that's it. I'm not going to talk anymore. Until my next video, I wish you all the very best, and bye for now. Cheers.